is for apple, shiny and red, smiling so bright in the flower bed. B is for bunny, hopping round in meadow with flowers on the ground. C is for cat, soft and sweet, chasing its tail with tiny feet. D is for dog, playing with a ball, barking with joy in the grassy hall. E is for elephant, big and kind, spraying water, fun to find. F is for fish, swimming so free in the ocean, as happy as can be. G is for goat with a curly tail, dancing on the hill and wagging without fail. H is for hen with feathers so bright, clucking and dancing in morning light. I is for ice cream, creamy and cold, with a cherry on top, brave and bold. J is for jellyfish, glowing in the sea, floating around so peacefully. K is for kite, flying so high, soaring up in the bright blue sky. L is for lion, king of the land, roaring gently in the jungle band. M is for monkey, swinging with glee, eating bananas up in the tree. N is for nest, where birdies sleep, warm and safe, not a peep. O is for owl, wise and bright, reading a book in the moonlight. P is for parrot, colorful and loud, singing a song that draws a crowd. Q is for queen with a shiny crown, waving at kids all around town. R is for rocket, zooming to space, flying so fast in a starry race. S is for snake, slithering slow, through the forest to and fro. T is for train, chugging on track, toot toot, it is never looking back. U is for umbrella in the rain, frogs jumping in puddles again and again. V is for violin, played by a mouse, singing sweet tunes in a tiny house. W is for whale, big and blue, jumping in the ocean, splashing too. X is for zone,